Are you able to get me? Are you able to get me, boss?
Yes, I'm able to.
All right, so beginning stock from the question here. Now, beginning stock was actually zero, as it were. So meaning that if the beginning stock is zero, you put a zero here. Now, I want us to find our workings here. Okay? Workings. Our required production is equal to summation of demand, then minus beginning stock, then over number of periods. So this is our required production. Summation of demand minus beginning stock over number of periods. So let us find our level production. So our demand is 150 plus 170 plus 180 plus 160 plus 160 minus 0. Then divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know, we are summing up. We are producing on the level ground now. So producing these ones on level basis, okay? So we are adding all the demand minus what is already there because you can't produce what has already been there. So the beginning stock is 0, okay? So produce minus what is already there. So let us now add. So it is 150 plus 170 plus 180 plus 160 plus 160, which is 820. 820 minus 0 divided by 5, which will be 820 divided by 5. So this one is 820 divided by 5 is 164 units. 164 what? Units. You understand the 164 units? That's a level production. Level production. Level production. 164 units. So if you come on the level basis here, so here, level production. Are we together so far?
Yes.
Okay, thank you for understanding. Your production is one this case. So here you're going to have ending stock. How do you get the ending stock? So ending stock is equal to beginning stock, then plus production minus demand. This is our ending stock. Have you taken down the formula for ending stock? Ending stock is equal to what? Beginning stock plus production minus demand. Have you followed?
Yes. Got it.
Thank you for taking down the formula. Okay. Ending stock is equal to beginning stock plus production minus what? Demand. All right. Okay. So I want you from this way to tell me. So now, what will be our ending stock for period 1 if you have followed? Tell me. It is the beginning stock plus production minus demand. Beginning plus production minus demand. So what will be our ending stock for uh, period 1? Tell me if you have followed so far.
I think it will be 14.
Thank you very much. 14. So now, let me tell you one thing here. Thank you for getting it correct. Now, The ending stock for the period, ending stock for the period is the beginning stock for the next period. Are we together?
Okay.
Beginning stock for the next period. You understand what I mean now?
Yes.
So meaning that what is going to happen here is 14 will come here as beginning stock. All right. So what next? 14 plus 164. 14 plus 164. Beginning plus production minus demand. What is the answer? 14 plus 164, 178 minus demand. The answer is 8. Did you agree?
Yes.
So 8 comes here. 8 plus 164 is what? Then minus that one is negative 8. Negative 8. So negative 8 plus 164 minus 160. The answer is negative 4. Negative 4 plus 164. The answer is 0 here. That's why they said no back order at the end of the fifth period. There shouldn't be. So these negatives means you don't have stock. Negative means what? Stock out. Are we getting me? Negative values indicate that we do not have stock. That's what negative values indicate. Is that okay so far? Are you there?
Yes. You are a bit fast,
Hello?
so I remain a little.
Come again?
You are a bit fast, so I remain a little bit. So I'm just trying to see the computation.
I'm talking to Madam. Is it Madam Manuru?
Hello?
Okay. Yes, can you get me now? Where are you behind? Where are you?
Hello?
Where are you? Where are you behind?
Hello?
Where are you behind?
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can get you. Where are you behind?
Sorry? No, I was saying you're a bit fast, so I remained on the computation
Which computation?
when we're calculating the ending stock.
Did you understand the formula for ending stock?
No, I've gotten the concept. I just didn't finish tabulating because I was also tabulating.
Oh, so here.
Yes, right here. So -4 and then 0. Okay, that's it.
Okay, no problem. So
Thank you.
the negatives, what do the negatives imply? We don't have these are the units that we are lacking to meet the demand, the shortages. You get me? So negatives means shortage units required to meet demand, not so.
Mm-hmm.
Indicate that we do not have stock or shortage units required, okay, to meet
Mm-hmm.
what? To meet demand.
The demand.
Shortage units required to meet demand. And those are what they mean. Eh? So it's up to you now to
Mm-hmm.
do. You have three options when you have shortages. You can say here. Let's look at the level workforce. What would be our level workforce? How many units are they producing? 164, not so.
Mm-hmm.
They're producing 164. So since the production, which is the total production, is equal to 164 units. So you can find our level workforce. Our workforce will be 164 divided by 15 units per worker. Are we together?
Yes.
Do you know that one person is producing 15 units? You get my point, right?
Yes.
So as we divide, what are we getting?
The actual number is 10.4.
So what are we
I'm
going
not
to
sure if
do?
we're also rounding up here, which will be 11.
164 divided by 15 is not 10.4, it's 10.9, which is 11 workers.
164 divided by 15. Ah, yes, 10.9, you're right.
So what is going to happen is that we are going to have the level workforce is how much? The level workforce here is level workforce is 11 workers. So what are we saying? We have constant production and constant workforce. So you have these two. So these are constant production and constant workforce. That is what it means by pure level strategy. Okay. Maintain workforce and production, no hiring and firing. Is that okay?
Yes.
So what are we going to do? Let's find our regular cost. Regular cost will be production units, which is 164 divided by 50. Okay, 164 divided by 50. 164 divided by 50.
We're multiplying.
Divide by, or multiply by 50 is multiply by 50. You know where 50 is coming from? Production cost per.
Yes.
Thank you. So 164 by 50 is 82.
It's 8,200.
So 82, 82, 82, 82, 82. You can find the total. 82 by 5 is 41,000. Okay? So now, what next? We can now ending cost. Ending cost, or what we call holding cost. Our holding cost will be 14 times, physically 14 were being held, okay? And the holding cost per unit was how much? Holding cost per unit was how much? What was the holding cost per unit? Was $5. Holding cost per unit was $5. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
It was $5, not so.
Yes.
Holding cost per unit was $5. So you multiply and get the 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Here, these were negatives, so forget about them. So these are zeros. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
So here it's giving us 70. Here it's what is 8 times 5? 40. The total is giving us 110. All right? This one goes.
Mm-hmm.
Then what next? So we have gotten the regular cost, the holding cost. Then what next? These guys, currently, we had how many workers? We had
12.
currently 12 workers, right?
Yes.
So what happened for us to have 11? We only fired one guy. That's one maintained the 11. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Is that okay with you?
Yes.
So we have what we call firing cost. It's just one person times 200. The rest we didn't. So the answer is 200 here. So you can have the total cost of the plan now. We only fired one guy in month one and maintained the rest. Is that okay now?
Yes. That
So
is fine.
1,000 plus plus 110 plus 200. Okay, so what is this? 8 by 5 is what? 14 by 5?
14 by 5
Okay, so here what we are
is
simply saying,
70.
is that, okay, and then what else do we have? So we have 110, a 200. Then, of course, we had the shortages. Let's go back and check the shortages. What can we do with the shortages? Do you know what happened in week? What ending stock were 14, quite all right. So
Mm-hmm.
14 was the ending stock and 8 was it. Now, this -8 and -4, these were
Mm-hmm.
problems. These were problems. Not so we didn't have these stocks.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So because we had maintained the number of workers, we maintained the workforce, right? We
Mm-hmm.
maintained what?
The workforce.
We maintained workforce. Not so. Is that okay?
Sorry, I'm losing you a bit. You sound far.
Okay, I'm saying that we maintained what workforce? We have 11. But this workforce that we
Mm-hmm.
maintained, they couldn't meet the demand in week 3 and 4. We had a shortage of how much? Week 8 and 4, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, thank you for understanding. So what is going to happen is, since we had a shortage in those weeks, so
Mm-hmm.
what is going to happen is that we would decide what to do. Can we go for subcontracting? So check which one is cheaper now. Okay? Check which one is cheaper. Should we subcontract? I told you to
Yeah.
say, hello?
Yes, I'm here.
So what I'm saying is, I told you to say the firm should choose which one is cheaper. Under the
Mm.
fewer level strategy, the firm is well made the maintain workforce and production. If the firm cannot produce to meet demand, what
Mm-hmm.
should they do? What should they do? Okay? Are we together?
Yes.
So what should they do?
So
They
they need
should,
to decide whether they should do overtime or if they should subcontract.
or they should just go for back or down.
Mm. Yes. What
Backward
did they describe? Back
or
order cost, stockout
or
cost. Okay.
or stock out cost. Back order cost or
Mm-hmm.
stock out cost. So they should choose which one is cheap among the three, right? So let's
Mm-hmm.
go and let's check which one is cheap among the three.
Okay.
So using overtime is $25. Using subcontracting is $80. Then back order cost is how much? $60, not so.
$60. Mm-hmm.
How much?
$60 for back order cost.
How much? 60.
Yes.
So which one should I choose among the three? 75 or 80 or 60?
Biggest is lowest.
Yeah. So meaning that these units that you're talking about here,
Mm-hmm.
these stock out units here in these weeks, they should be for back order. So you're going to have back order cost. So here we don't have any back order cost. We don't have back order cost in which what? In which week? In week
Starting period 3.
in week period what?
3.
In period D, in
3.
period 4, in period D 3, which is 8
3
units,
and
8
mm-hmm.
times 60 and 4 times 60, the near dash. So what is 8 times 60?
480.
So for 8. Then the other guy is 4 times 60 is what? 240.
240.
So which is giving us the 720. So the,
720.
so the total cost will give us how much? Total cost will give us, we start now, aggregating boss. All right. This one,
Mm-hmm.
this one, this one, and that one. What answer are we getting? You have a calculator with you?
Plus 200. The total is 42,030.
Okay. So 42,008. So this is what we have, 42,030. So meaning which one is cheaper between this guy And the 41,900.
The 41,900.
So they should go for which strategy in this case? It's just strategy. Have you understood it so far?
Yes.
Thank you very much for understanding. So this is the aggregate planning. So I don't expect that, I don't expect you to think like this topic is very cumbersome. So we have answered one question so far. So meaning other questions will be all covered. You understand what I mean? So we end here for now.
Okay.
Is that clear?
Yes, it's clear.
Okay, so this is
Can you just go on the screen where we did the table for pure level?
okay, no problem. Here we are. Where tell me where I can go? Is it here?
The table
Here.
for pure level, yes. Scroll a bit down.
Here.
Okay, yes.
All right.
Yes, thank you.
Okay. So can we end here for now?
Yes, we can.
Okay, now my question is how often are you free? Because that Mr.